Lesson 2 Dating Voiceover Recording Length 12 minutes and 18 seconds. This recording was created using www.spokentext.net. Lesson 2 Picking the Right Dating Site. Choosing online dating sites for beginners. If you've been doing the online dating scene, you're probably familiar with all the ins and outs of what makes it work. You're probably also familiar with which sites are better than others. However, if you're a beginner at online dating, you're probably uncertain as to what to look for in online dating sites. Here are some simple to follow tips to help you make the right choice in online dating sites. How long have they been in business? There are thousands of online dating services on the internet, with a new one setting up shop almost every day. Each one is going to offer to hook you up with the love of your life and claim to be the best. How do you know which one to choose? One of the first things to check is how long they've been in business. The longer they've been in business, the fewer bugs they'll have to work through and the more efficient they're going to be. Research each company thoroughly before joining. Choose a few of the best after you've done a thorough job of researching the different online dating sites. You'll be in a better position to narrow it down to the few that you like the best. Criteria you want to look for are those that are easy to navigate and those that cater to what you're looking for. No longer are dating sites strictly for men or strictly for women. There are now so many options available today, so take your time in choosing the sites that are the closest to what you're looking for in an online dating site. What do they allow for? Profiles. The profiles that are entered on the online dating sites will play a large part in how successful you will be in meeting the person of your dreams. Check out what type of profiles and photos they allow on their sites. With some sites, the approval period takes so long that completing a profile can almost turn into an all-day process. Check out the rules on any sites you're considering. What type of chat rooms do they offer? Chatting is a popular way to members to get to know each other. For most people, it's the most important part of online dating. If you look at a profile that appeals to you, you're not going to rush out and make a date with them. You'll want to spend some time chatting. Check out what type of chat rooms they offer as well as how they're monitored. What is the cost? With so many online dating sites offered today, you can afford to be picky in choosing sites. Cost should always be a factor as well as providing services that you need. The right combination is available out there. All you have to do is look around. Action steps. I have been around the online dating scene for a very long time. In my travels, I have come across what I feel are the best online dating sites for beginners and experienced users alike. These sites provide great value, have a large ratio of women to men, are easy to use, and have a ton of options that will make your chances of meeting a great woman even easier. The sign up for these sites are dead simple. Just enter your name, email, and location. No credit card number, no overly personal details. It does not get easier than that. Remember, the more dating sites you sign up to, the better the chance you have of meeting the woman of your dreams. Each site has its own pool of users, and each one attracts different types of women. Ideally, sign up to all of these so you can get the most benefit from the course. Studies have shown that signing up for multiple dating sites increases your chance of meeting and going on a date with a woman by 210%. They are as follows. Find Me Love. This is probably the best online dating site if you are looking to get your feet wet in the online dating world. A very simple to use site that will get you up and running almost instantly. There are also a ton of responsive women on this site. Definitely the best place to start. You can sign up free here. Find Me Love, Fashion FOWARD, Singles. This is a real fun site. I have personally pulled more women from this site for a fun night out or a long weekend in bed than any other site I recommend. The great thing about this site is that there are a ton of fun chat and video features that really help you get to know the people you are talking with fast. This of course leads to a greater familiarity with each other, which leads to sparks flying faster. Only downside, I'd say, is that community is not as large as most of the other sites that I recommend. However, the women are very responsive. You can learn more and sign up free here. Fashion FOWARD, Single Sex Scanner. This is a great site for all the men out there who are looking to get serious and find a stable, fulfilling, and loving long-term relationship. The women on this site are very much geared towards settling down and developing something long-term and stable. I really recommend Sex Scanner if you are looking for something a bit more serious. If you're not, it's also a great idea to sign up and see what some of the more popular men on the site are doing with their profiles. This site probably has the best male profiles I have ever seen. You can definitely learn from this. You can learn more and sign up free here. Sex Scanner, Flirt Crowd. The best part about this site is that it goes through great lengths in finding you women who are local to your area. Their matching system is pretty top-notch, and I have had a great amount of success finding women who are literally blocks away from me that I would have never met if not for this site. Their chat options are pretty basic, but they get the job done. The real strength of this site lies in its matching abilities. You can learn more and sign up for free here. Flirt Crowd specialty sites. If you are looking for something a bit different from mainstream dating sites, I have personally tested for you 3 such sites. Let's start it off. WholesomeDate.com. Yes, the womanizing Teddy West signed up for this site. Crazy, I know. I had to try it out when I decided I was going to make an online dating course for all men. What I found was quite surprising. There are a ton of women who are looking to settle down, and for that crowd it's great. However, ever hear the term undercover naughty? There's quite a lot of that here too. Nothing funnier than making contact with a woman who looks so cute and innocent that has a naughty side. I really recommend this site for everyone. It has everything you could be looking for. You can learn more and sign up here. Date.com now to get a bit naughty. Married but lonely. I'm sure everyone has heard of Adult Friend Finder. If you haven't, it's a site that claims to offer a place for no strings attached fun. Every man's dream, right? Unfortunately, Adult Friend Finder does not really deliver on that promise. A lot of fake and scamming profiles. Now imagine Adult Friend Finder without the fake profiles and women looking for money for webcam shows. You have Married but Lonely. I don't know how they did it, but they have managed to get together sexy real women who are looking for a good time. If you are looking for a fling, sexy flirting, or going all the way, you need to be here. You can learn more and sign up for free here, married but lonely on Latina.com if you are 31 plus and want something more spicy, sexy and curvy. Latina dating is the way to go. You will find lovely and warm Latina beauty. You can learn more and sign up for free here on Latina.com. I would spend the next couple of minutes signing up for these sites. Remember, it's a numbers game. The more places you put yourself out there, the greater chance of success and finding the woman you want and deserve. If you want something more spicy, sexy and curvy, Latina dating is the way to go. You will find lovely and warm Latina beauty. Here's a quick glimpse into tomorrow's lesson, setting up your profile. One of the first things you'll do when you join an online dating site is set up your profile. Your profile is what others will see, so make it good. Your profile should consist of your picture and information about yourself. By information, I mean what your interests are, what you're looking for, hobbies, etc. Do not put any more personal information than possible on your profile. You don't know who will be viewing your profile, so you don't want to give out private information. Many of the online dating sites will offer excellent help in setting up your profile. How do I meet others? When you join online dating sites, you'll give out information about yourself to the individuals running the sites. They have a huge database that listed thousands of others looking for someone special. They match you up with individuals that share the same interests as you. These sites have excellent tools to help you find the right individual and screen out undesirables or those you have nothing in common with. Tomorrow we will be going further into how to maximize the power of your profile to meet the women you want. Till tomorrow.